Right. My name is Dr. Crispin Pukuvani. I'm the Executive Dean, Research, Innovation and Postgraduate Center, Postgraduate Studies here at Manicaland State University of Applied Sciences. And this project, which you have come for, is the innovative vat leaching process for artisanal and small-scale miners, won the second place in the mining category in the 2024 Presidential Innovation Awards. So amongst the universities, no university beat us, except for a Kamban, which was the what do you call this? This one, Yemagasis Verify Engineering was number one in the mining category with the lithium ion battery, and we came second with this project on vat leaching process from our metallurgical department. So more details we'll get from the innovators themselves. Thank you.
My name is Fortunate Esnat Charangwa. I'm an assistant lecturer here at Manicaland State University of Applied Sciences from the metallurgy department. So we have this project being funded by RCZ, and we are doing it in collaboration with Botswana Institute of Science and Technology. It's basing on improving the vat leaching processes that is done by most artisanal and small-scale miners in Zimbabwe. So from research, most of these miners, the small-scale miners, and there are more than 500,000 in Zimbabwe, contributing more than 60% of the income on gold production in Zimbabwe. So the target and the main aim of our research was to improve the vat leaching processes that they do after they've removed the free gold and all that panning and the amakorokosa stuff. So to improve the recovery of the gold, the current designs that they do, they just have the tank, they load their ore, and they get their solution. It's like from the tank that they operate in, we do not know what is happening inside. It's a black box, we can say. So we are trying to put away so that we can control the parameters from the inside of the tank so as to improve recovery. From the gold process reactions, oxygen and the amount of reagents that are added, they are very important, knowing those amounts. So first, we had the pre-mixing tank, the one on top. We are supposed to mix our reagents so that we have an optimum concentration before we add the solutions into the tank. And then from the pre-mixing tank, since we said oxygen is important in the reactions, we have introduced arrowheads for improved or complete dissolution of oxygen, since we only base on the oxygen from the atmosphere. And through our tank, what you see here, these, we can say, they are proprietary collectors inside that allow us to monitor what is happening at any point or stage in the tank. And then add from the collectors, since we know when they are loading their ore, there's a problem of channeling. Yeah, when you are adding your solution, the oxygen or the air that will be trapped in the ores or in the sands, it escapes whilst the solution is being added. So there is need for bottom-up filling of the tank such that the oxygen escapes from the bottom and it does not create channels from the top of the tank.
Because
Oh, that's fine.
saka mangwana vane training kuharare small scale research pamwe chetewo innovation yakabatana pamwe idea ndekuti communities dzikasike kubatsirikana.